Welcome back to Cartech Explorers. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that defies the ordinary, even by Lamborghini's wild standards. Meet the Lamborghini Aventador SVR Widebody 1 of 1. That's right, this is a one-of-a-kind beast that's more than just a supercar, it's a statement on wheels. From its aggressive widebody stance to the roaring V12 engine, this car is designed to be as eye-catching as it is high-performing. Buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into what makes this unique Aventador one of the most remarkable supercars ever built. Starting with the exterior, the Aventador SVR Widebody is an absolute showstopper. The widebody kit gives it a muscular, almost intimidating presence. The extended fenders, sharp lines, and aggressive front splitter scream track monster, while maintaining the luxury flair Lamborghini is known for. The matte black paint job with contrasting neon accents adds to its stealthy yet rebellious personality. From the hexagonal air intakes to the sculpted side skirts, every angle of this car is designed to cut through the air like a knife. And let's not forget that massive rear wing. It's not just for show, it provides serious downforce at high speeds. The custom-forged wheels are wrapped in low-profile Pirelli P0s, giving the car not just style but maximum grip as well. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's both luxurious and race-inspired. The cabin is a mix of premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather. The bucket seats are sculpted for high-speed stability but still comfortable enough for those rare moments when you're cruising rather than pushing this car to its limits. The digital dashboard is fully customizable and offers a futuristic interface that complements the car's high-tech vibe. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and loaded with controls, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. The center console, finished in carbon fiber, features the iconic start button hidden beneath a red flip cover, giving you that fighter jet feel every time you fire up the V12. Under the hood, or should I say, behind the cabin, is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that churns out a monstrous 800 horsepower. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed ISR transmission, this engine propels the Aventador SVR from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Top speed? An eye-watering 220 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to the custom widebody setup, the SVR offers enhanced stability and cornering capabilities. The car is fitted with an advanced all-wheel drive system and active aerodynamics that adapt on the fly, making it just as competent on twisty back roads as it is on the track. The adjustable suspension allows you to switch between road comfort and track-focused stiffness, depending on your driving mood. Now, let's talk about what it's like to actually drive this machine. The first thing you notice is the raw, unfiltered sound of that V12. It's loud, aggressive, and pure symphony for any petrolhead. The throttle response is instant, and the power delivery is linear but brutal. It'll pin you back into your seat with every press of the accelerator. Handling is razor sharp, thanks to the widebody modifications and active steering that adjusts based on your speed and driving style. The brakes are carbon ceramic and offer incredible stopping power, even after multiple hard laps on the track. The Aventador SVR is a car that commands respect. It's not for the faint-hearted. You need skill and confidence to push it to its limits, but when you do, the reward is nothing short of exhilarating. While the Aventador SVR is clearly performance-oriented, Lamborghini hasn't skimped on tech. The infotainment system, though minimalistic compared to luxury sedans, provides everything you need: navigation, media, and vehicle settings, through a crisp touchscreen display. There's also a high-quality audio system by Bang & Olufsen, though let's be real, the best soundtrack in this car is the engine note. Advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control and parking sensors are present, but this car is meant to be driven, not driven for you. The tech is there to assist, but it never overshadows the raw driving experience. In terms of competition, the Aventador SVR Widebody goes head-to-head with the likes of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and McLaren 765 LT. While both rivals offer hybrid powertrains and even sharper handling, the Aventador brings a different flavor, pure, old-school V12 power wrapped in one-of-a-kind aesthetics. Where the Ferrari and McLaren focus on precision and modernity, the Lamborghini leans into its heritage, offering a visceral, emotional experience that's hard to match. If you're looking for a supercar that's as much an art piece as it is a performance machine, the Aventador SVR is in a league of its own. So, what's the verdict on this one-off Lamborghini Aventador SVR Widebody? It's not just a car, it's a statement of individuality and pure automotive passion. The performance is ferocious, the design is jaw-dropping, and the driving experience is unforgettable. Sure, it's not the most practical car in the world, and it's definitely not cheap, but if you're in the market for something truly unique, a car that turns heads, dominates the track, and offers an unmatched emotional connection, this is it. On a scale of 1 to 10, the Aventador SVR Widebody gets a solid 9.5 from me. It's a near-perfect blend of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Cartech Explorers, and let us know in the comments what car you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.